episode of Smokey's Garage. Today is day 4 of the build, and day 1 was testing, day 2 is disassembly, and day 3 is making those custom fenders and custom seat. So today, day 4, the plan is to remove everything, code everything, what goes where, how we have to do it, which paint we have to do, and the goal is by today evening, try to give the chassis for the custom seat in Panjim, and that's the goal we are keeping with right now. The time right now is 11 o'clock, so it's a little bit late. So yeah, let's start working.
Oh, yeah, shoot, accident. Shit. Hey, Rowdy, hurry.
Okay, so now the plan is to figure out the different nuts and bolts we are going to use. So the side panel nut and bolt, both side panel, the fenders nut and bolt, everything. So like this guy's nut and bolt, the engine's nut and bolt. So once we know what nut and bolts we are going to use, we have to code them, and according to that we have to give it to the paint guy, so that later when we are assembling we have everything ready and we are not figuring out okay where this nut went, where that nut went, and just randomly putting different nuts in it. That's the plan. Okay, so now the game plan is the seat which we have made. So for that we need these custom clamps. So now we are gonna cut these clamps shorter. So that we can fit everything properly. So yeah. Okay, so the time right now is 2:48 PM. It's after lunch. Shubh's mom bought us a wonderful lunch. So thank you, Shubh's mom, from the bottom of my heart. So we have completed the clamps for the seat. Okay, and we have labeled all the parts. So all the nut and bolt, everything is now labeled. Okay, so now the plan is, since all the coding of the nut and bolt is done, the seat panels are done, everything fitting is done, now we will remove everything and take the chassis to the seat guy. So remove the tires, suspension, everything, so that we can fit the chassis in the car. Okay, so this bolt, which is 18 number of this T-arm, comes like this, then this slides out, then this, you have to hold this over here and you have to rotate this, then this thing will come out. Shit!
All the balls fell.
Where? This came out and there were bearings over here. So like this. This is for our reference. So on this lower T-arm there was like bearings like this. So I think they were all the way bearings, and then it was fitted into this.
Oh my god.
We messed up, no?
Did we?
I think. Okay, so this circular thing is like this. On top of that, this bush, then this thing comes out, and then there are these bearings. So you know what I think? It's like how these bearings are put, see?
Yeah.
Like this only over your bearings they put.
Yeah.
I'll learn something on your bike. Huh?
Yeah.
See it in the video. Okay, so like this, how the bearings are on the top, it should be on the bottom also. So there should be bearings like this, and then this T-arm should be placed inside. Okay, so it's almost the end of day 4. The time right now is 4 PM, and like everything is removed. Now you can see there's just the chassis. So now Now plan is we'll load this chassis into the car and we'll go to the custom seat guy and start the work on the custom seat. So yeah. So chassis, seat template, tank in the car. Let's go, Shubh. Dude, you know your car. Why you left it so hard, man?
It's fine.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Rara. Get, no one's there. Gate बंद कर यार. अरे गौया. Shit, so. These things were there over here. Shit. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so the chassis and the tank and all the stuff is over there behind. So boy Shubh is driving. Don't kill me. Don't smile. I know you are. Last time what ले ली तूने मची?